Are you looking for pens that make your notes just pop? I'm Kayla with WTI, and I'm addicted to colorful pens. This set from Amazon Basics is now my new favorite. I love that it comes in 12 vibrant and vivid colors. It comes with the basic blue and black that I can use every day, but it also comes with a variety of pinks and purples and greens, yellows, oranges, everything that really just helps my notes stand out and look super fun too. I personally use these felt tip pens for just everyday use and for planning. I love color coding my planner, and with these felt tip markers, it makes it so easy to do. Even with a medium tip, I feel like it's a super smooth and precise writing, but it doesn't feel overly thick. Because of the fun, versatile colors, doodling with these, just making fun different shapes, squiggles, all that sort of thing is just so much fun. I love having the variety of which color I want to choose or even which shade of green I want to use. I love how they write. It's so smooth and just flows as I'm writing. These Amazon Basic felt pens are the top pen choice for any type of journaling, doodling, planning, or everyday use. They are absolutely awesome. And that's just my point of view.